welcome to my YouTube page. This wire. You guys all know me. Thank you. I saw your comments on my page. I want to thank you guys for everything, for your support. God bless you. Today we're doing how to convert Type-C charging port to USB charging port. This phone, this is a Type-C charging port. Given to me by one of my customers, and I wanted to change it. This is Type-C charging point. It's called Type-C. It's not like normal USB charging point. And I was asked to change the charging point by one of my customers, and I checked it out around the home market. I couldn't get the Type-C charging point. So then, as an engineer, so I had to change it from Type-C to USB. So you guys can see now. So this is the link. In case you are new here and you want to learn how to use a meter to do this kind of work, that's why I'm here for you. Now this is our reading. This is the minus. This is minus you are seeing. So it's reading now. Now let's read this. Pin and close. Now this is your minus. You can see it's reading 00. This is your minus. Reading 00. Now you want to know where is your plus. Now there are many ICs here. There are many dots here. Many dots. So what do we do? This is reading 324. This one says 324 also. Now this one says 313. Now this is the right one. This is 313. This 313, that is normal charging. It's 313. Most phones you can get 314. Some tabs can get 315. But 313 is the normal charging for tab phone. For all tabs phone. So what we will do here is sorry guys, I didn't show you when I was running this jumper. Now we have a running wire. You will get your running wire. You tap the running wire to the two last leg of the charging point. The two last leg. Remember, one leg is for the minus, one leg is for the plus. Guys, you guys know, once you're an engineer, you should know that each charging point you see like this. The one at your left hand side is your plus, the one at your right hand side is your minus. So what do you have to do? You take it and you take your plus, you connect it to your plus here. This is your plus, this is your plus. Put your plus and your minus. You connect your minus to any part of the body of the phone. Here is your minus, 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 here is also your minus, here also your minus. And you just put it anywhere you want to put it, and your phone is good to go. Let's do this, guys, so that you do with me. Sorry, I have my Sodium with me now, so I have to connect it, and I have to be very fast. Okay, this is my plus. This is my plus, guys. Now my minus. This is my minus. Now that this is my minus and plus. I'm through with it. Somebody online will ask me why do you need to couple the phone before doing all this? Before I couple the phone properly, I need to do this test that is charging before I couple the phone. So now this is it. Like I told you earlier on, your left hand side is your plus, your right hand side is your minus. So let's test of tap phone. Let's test our tap if it's working. Let's see if our tap is working. you guys see, this our Acatel tab is back and it's charging. So 6% is charging normal. So please guys, please subscribe to my page. Thank you.